Grasshopper tried stirring it gently. Caterpillar stirred it fast. Bumblebee yelled, "You're making it worse!" They were. It was. Asked. The mud monster wobbled, then flopped to the ground. Caterpillar poked it. It jiggled. Raven said, "That's not a good sound." "Let's bury it," Raven cried. "Quick, use the grass." Luna dumped the whole pile. "Raven, it's still got sass." "Okay, new plan," Luna yelled. "Let's run away." Grasshopper agreed. "Yes, excellent, best idea today." They sprinted across the yard, slipping, sliding, screaming, laughing so hard they could barely keep breathing. When they finally looked back, the mud monster was gone. Just a puddle of goo sitting quietly on the lawn.